Hiking up Table Mountain is a must for any active traveller visiting Cape Town. It ranks in status with Africa's giants like Mount Kilimanjaro and the High Atlas Mountains in Morocco. To do a hike up Skeleton Gorge, and Isabel's fit and ready for the day. From Kirstenbosch up here along Smuts Track all the way to the highest point on Table Mountain, Maclears Beacon, along the central table which is fairly flat, to the western table, come down in the cable car, or if the cable car is not working, we'll come down Gorge. I can travel there. And this side of the mountain gets a lot more rain. It's about 1,500 millimeters of rain compared to the other side, which only gets 800. But there is an endemic frog that's only found in this gorge. It's called the Table Mountain ghost frog. Now at Breakfast Rock, where we can enjoy a warm cup of tea overlooking Table Mountain. That's where we have to head to. Insectivorous plant. It's called the Drosera. Here's the king protea. You can see it's just beginning to bloom.
Okay, so
it's a helichrysum.
Regardless of the season.
Yeah.
You can do that one.
We've just come up to Maclears Beacon, the highest point on Table Mountain, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. There's Robben Island, the northern suburbs, and Blouberg Beach, the Hottentot Holland Mountains in the distance. There's False Bay with Hunclip. Right down to Hart Bay. The only way you can tell that it's an erica is that the leaves round on each other. They curl up to prevent water loss. So all these scratches and scrapings in the rock.
Yeah.
About 100,000 years there was glacial action here. This is Platteklip Gorge. 6 million years ago you'd be able to walk across Table Bay. The coastline extended as much as 10 kilometers beyond Robben Island out there. We're coming up to the cable car station and suddenly we're seeing a lot more people than we have. We're just up here. That's called Porcupine Ridge. That's another beautiful hike.
I have no regret. Really love going up the climb and seeing the nature and having the mountain